Hey guys, thank you so much for returning for another school lunch idea. So it's back to school time, and that means that I will be sharing a lot of lunch ideas with you all. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post a new video. But let's go ahead and dive right on into this lunch right here. For the fruit choice, I chose strawberries for them, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut one strawberry into fours, and I use I think 3 to 4 strawberries for each container. So on this day, I decided to pack them some tuna sandwiches. Right here, I'm just adding mayo, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some relish. Next, I'm going to add eggs, mustard, salt, and pepper also. Sometimes when I make their tuna sandwiches, I'll make the sandwich or I'll put the tuna in a separate container so that their bread doesn't become soggy. But they said that this was okay and it wasn't too soggy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some pretzels and also a homemade Rice Krispie treat. So for lunch this day, my kids had their Lipton iced peach tea, a fruit roll-up, strawberries, pretzels and a Rice Krispie treat, and a tuna sandwich. I hope this video gave you an idea for an easy lunch idea. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, plus that notification bell. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.